sakalam. Ayan ang aking anakis kakusi. Ayan, tamsak lang sakalam. Angela, it's full down, Angela. Dahil dito lang din. No, really, she's full down now. Maybe it's kapot lang din. Hello, it's a new one. Rice is finished? Not yet. So, iba-iba kami ngayon ng food. So, iba-iba kami ng food ngayon, guys. Because nga, they do not eat my food. Filipino food. Shout out, 7 million viewers. So, kuha tayo ng ganda ngayon ng weather because it's sunny and then mainit. Ang ganda. And good thing is, dito sa Asia, guys, mainit siya pero mahangin. So, nandito ako sa balkon na sobrang anong ganda ng weather. Perfect. 6 million viewers, shout out. So, I admire here. I like it here, guys, because nga, very refreshing. 10 million viewers, shout out. Ayan, guys. So, dito ako ngayon sa balkon namin. Hi, hi, hi. Ayan, kumakain na ang aking magama. Ako, hindi pa tapos ang aking ulamis. So, ayan lang. Ganda lang ng panahon dito. Dito ako mag-i-edit. Dito ako I'm thinking about what's next for the video, for the content. So, ito yung view ko dito. Ayan, meron kaming Eiffel Tower. France. And then, ayan, parang Lake Como, Italy dyan, guys. Dito, sa kabilang island. And then, you can see the town, the church, the cathedral, and the sea. Ayan, yung blue. This blue is the sea. Heidi, yes. Okay, that's yours. Ayan, guys. So, close to nature kami. As you can see, the birds are chirping. Chirp, 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 chirp. And at the same time, close to nature. So, we have olives here in the back. We have cherries. We have the vineyard there on front of our balcony. So, dito tayo because I like the town. Ayan. Walking distance, guys. Our house to the town. 35 million viewers. Shout out. So, kita nyo na dito. At i-zoom natin. Ayan ang ating beach. Dagat na yan. Ayan. Ayan ang kulit ng aking anakis, guys. Kung ano nyo. Yung dalawa. So, ayan. Itong line na yan, guys. Ayan, ang puti. Ano yan? Aeroplano. So, ayan. Pangit na ng ating guys. Naguba na kasi itong aking tripod. Kasi nga, gihimong kabayo-kabayo ni Angela kong tripod. So, ayan, shout out, 44 million viewers in the house. So I can see here the nature, the beach, the town, the buildings, and houses, island. And here our yard, our grasses, mga grasses. So what most I like about Croatia is, siya, close to nature. Dito ko lang na-appreciate, guys, ang nature sa Croatia. Ayan, yung buhok natin, hindi pa natin naayos. Blessings to all, and happy Sunday to all. And ano ba yan? Greetings from Europe, Croatia, 45 million viewers. Shout out, dobro daw siya na may kanal. Ayan, good day everyone. Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ug may adlaw Cebu. Ayan, may pa talaga. Halikabuk. 40 million viewers, shout out. So guys, dito ang runway ng of course the airplane from Zagreb or from wherever part of the country. And dito sa tapat, dito, ayan, my airport. So malapit na ang airport dito sa aming bahay. 5 minutes na ako and I have 40 viewers, 40 eyes. Thank you. Please thumbs like, like, share and subscribe.